Oh no, looks like you pirated Welcome to Bloxburg. Piracy is a serious crime according to the copyright law. For more information, go to www.roblox.com/anti-piracy for your own safety. It is clear that you have to turn off your device. You have 5 chances. Oh, you didn't turn off your device. Now you lost a chance. You now have 4 chances left. Please turn off your device or you will lose another chance. Seriously, you didn't listen to us. Come on. All right, 3 chances. If you ignore us 3 more times, then something bad is going to happen. Turn off your device, please. Are you kidding? You didn't listen to us again? Really? You're making us mad. And you wouldn't like us when we get mad. 2 more chances. Turn off your device.
Okay, you're really starting to get on our last nerves. I swear, this is your last chance. If you don't turn off your device in the next 5 seconds, then you're not going to like what happens next. That's it. You asked for it.